Let's go.
Proof that smart ideas matter more than fancy fishing tools. In this video, I show how a simple homemade fishing setup can perform just as well as expensive gear. Fishing isn't about how much money you spend. It's about creativity, experience, and smart thinking. If you love fishing and clever tricks, like, share, and subscribe for more real fishing ideas. Fishing with a rod, the ultimate guide. Fishing with a rod is one of the most popular and rewarding ways to enjoy the sport. Whether you are fishing in rivers, lakes, or the sea, a simple rod and reel can bring hours of fun and relaxation. This method combines patience, skill, and creativity, proving that fishing isn't just about expensive equipment. 1. Why rod fishing is great? Accessibility: you don't need big boats or complicated gear. Versatility: works for freshwater or saltwater fishing. Fun and relaxing: ideal for family outings or solo trips. Skill development: teaches patience, observation, and technique. 2. Essential tools. Fishing rod and reel: choose according to the type of fish and water. Fishing line: light lines for small fish, strong lines for bigger catches. Hooks and bait: live bait, worms, or artificial lures. Floats and sinkers to control depth and visibility. 3. Basic techniques. 1. Casting: learn to throw the line smoothly and accurately. 2. Patience: let the fish bite. Watch the float and feel the tug. 3. Reeling: and reel slowly and steadily to avoid losing the fish. For handling fish, use scare when removing the hook and releasing fish if needed. 4. Tips for success. Know your spot. Research the best locations for local fish. Time matters: early mornings and late evenings are usually more productive. Stay quiet: fish are sensitive to noise and vibrations. Experiment: change bait depth or casting distance to find what works. 5. Homemade versus expensive gear. You don't need fancy rods to catch big fish. Sometimes a simple homemade rod or local materials can be just as effective. The key is smart thinking, creativity, and patience, not money. Conclusion: fishing with a rod is more than a hobby, it's an art. It's about strategy, observation, and skill, whether using a high-end rod or a simple homemade setup. The thrill of catching fish and spending time in nature is what makes it unforgettable.